careful, sweetie. This orchard might belong to someone else.
This is so sweet!
These apples belong to my owner. Why are you taking them?
We promise. Just a few. Yes, just a couple. Today, we will make apple juice.
Yes, dear. And along with it, we'll bake an apple pie, too.
Mom, let's go to the river today and catch some fish.
All right, dear, but remember, catching fish isn't easy.
Please help me.
Sometimes letting others go free is the greatest victory.
Even though we did not eat fish today, we did a good deed.
Good deeds fill the heart with joy, not the stomach. Did you hear that funny splash by the river, my little one?
Oh, yes, and the way the fish jumped.